Hi pros, it's Alexa with How's Pro, and today we'll talk about assigning tasks to your client. With tasks on How's Pro, you can communicate with your client seamlessly. For instance, if you want your client to choose a paint color so you can continue on with the project, just assign them this task, and you can notify them and it will appear in the client dashboard. In this video, we'll learn how to assign a task to your client and how your client will view the task. We'll start with creating a new task and assigning it to your client. From your How's home page, go to Projects and then click Tasks. Click the Add New Task button in the top right, and then you can enter the task details, such as the task name, select which project it's for, the due date, and you can choose whether or not to share it on the timeline. Select your client as the assignee. Then, you'll have the option to set this as private or shared. Then add in a description for the task, and you can format it with the options below. Check the box on the bottom left to send an email notification to your client about the task. Uncheck it if you don't want to. To create the task, click Save. Now you'll see it in the Tasks Overview list. Now let's head over and see how your client will view the task that you assign to them. When you assign your client a task, they'll receive an email notification. Through the email, or just by accessing their client dashboard, they'll be able to see the task. The task will show up on the home page and in the Tasks tab. When your client's completed the task, they can go into the client dashboard and mark it as done. That way you'll be notified that the task has been completed. Clicking Mark as Done will move the task to the Completed Task section. Use tasks on How's Pro to progress your project forward with your client. Thanks for watching.